Hello Buccaneers, we are at Biff's Pleasure Paradise Casino and we're going to wager on some sports.
We can't lose!
Just kidding, we are actually at Plaza Hotel Casino in Las Vegas, which was used in the film Back to the Future Part 2. We're going to give you a tour of the hotel and Oscar's Steakhouse. Oscar's Steakhouse is on the second floor and you get a great view of Fremont Street from here. This is probably the best restaurant view I've ever had. Oscar's has a fine menu of steaks and seafood, but since today happens to be Thanksgiving, there's a Thanksgiving menu option, which has 3 courses: butternut squash soup, traditional turkey entree, and pie. While we wait for our food, here are some points of interest out the window. So the Golden Gate is the oldest casino in Las Vegas, and it was opened in 1906. You can also see one end of the zip line, which goes through Fremont Street. There's a screen out the window that shows what Fremont Street looked like in 1930, and it basically looks like a country road. Here are our appetizers. So we have crab cake there. The crab cake is one of their most popular appetizers, so I can't wait to try it. And this came with my Thanksgiving feast as the first course, butternut squash soup. And I'm gonna dig in. Oh, that's so good. It's exactly how I imagined butternut squash soup to be, but it's so creamy and savory and warm, and it melts in your mouth. Time to try the crab cake. And there's a high concentration of crab in here, and it tastes pretty good. Probably the best crab cake I've had. And I don't know what this sauce is, but it makes it even more flavorful.
And here's the bread.
And this bread is pretty good too. You can see how soft it is.
I'm having the filet mignon because I love steak. And then on the side, I got french fries.
This is the Thanksgiving meal. There's a bunch of turkey. I think this is 2 different types of turkey, white meat and dark meat. There's stuffing, there's cranberry, Brussels sprouts, mashed potatoes, and gravy. First I'm going to try the turkey. Brother noticed that every time there's a food I like, I raise my eyebrows subconsciously.
And now I'm gonna try Brother's Brussels sprout. I licked it before we recorded, but I didn't really taste it. It's really crispy.
The portion of this Thanksgiving dinner is huge, and it tastes great, but I obviously won't be able to finish all of it. Okay, so the dark and white meat both are easy to chew, and I'm surprised that the turkey breast is so soft and tender, and they have great flavor. Also, the stuffing is great, and I haven't had stuffing in like 2 years. And this cranberry is interesting because all the cranberries that I've had in the past, I think there was sweeteners added to it, because this one is not sweet, but it tastes more like fresh cranberry. The sides are also good, the mashed potato gravy, and especially the Brussels sprouts. Aside from the great view, there's also a high ceiling, and it looks really nice in this room with the chandeliers and the golden wall. There's also some air conditioning, so you feel the airflow in the room, so it feels safe and not stuffy. Now it's time for dessert. I have a pumpkin pie that came with my Thanksgiving dinner, and Brother has a deep dish chocolate chip cookie with a scoop of ice cream.
Ice cream. I like how the chocolate chip cookie is nice and warm. It's not too hot, but it is very warm. But you do need some ice cream on it to cool it down, or else it might be a bit too hot.
This is an excellent Thanksgiving dessert. I had the choice between pumpkin pie and pecan pie, and I chose this because it's more traditional, and I was craving pumpkin something. I like how the pie crust and the filling ratio is even, so it's not like you're having too much filling or too much crust. That's it for dinner. We're stuffed, and everything about this experience was great. The staff was very attentive, the food was delicious, and I love how they thought of making a special Thanksgiving dinner, because even though it was just for one day of the entire year, or at least that's my impression, they still perfected all the courses.
Overall, the steak was really juicy and tender, and the cookie was really warm and really sweet, and all of that filled me up. So overall, I'd come back.
Now we're gonna show you our room on the 19th floor. Shocked. We're gonna give you a tour of our suite. So there are 2 queen-sized beds. There's a phone, clock, and earplugs inside. A huge mirror so I can see all the pimples on me from not washing my face.
Okay.
A light, huge flat screen TV.
A mini fridge. Just a fridge, not a fridge.
Oh, there's water inside. Inside here, there's an iron and clothes hanger and iron board. There's a coffee maker, nice chair, magazine, table, and cups. Here's a view of downtown Las Vegas, and this is Fremont Street. Hello, this is the bathroom. So, over here.
And I'm gonna give you the tour of the big bathroom. Shower, toilet paper, towels, a ton of soap, more towels. How many towels? Over here's a mirror that makes your face big on one side, but on the other side it's normal. And on the right, there's actually a safe. And that's the tour of that background.
We're gonna check out Studio 71 photo room where you can take some selfies.
The next day.
Now we're gonna pick up some pop-up pizza, which is on the ground floor of the Plaza Casino. This is what we ordered. Here is a spinach and mushroom pizza. This one is called the vegan, and these 2 are Suprema. Since brother doesn't like pizza, he got chicken wings. Okay. Well, anyways, brother got chicken wings, and we also ordered 5 garlic rolls. By the way, we're on the 5th floor, eating outside next to the jacuzzi and the heated pool. And over there are the pickleball courts. There are also cabanas you can rent. That is a very good Supreme pizza. I love how the entire thing is covered in toppings. So with every bite you get either pepperoni or sausage, or I think there's some other meats in there. And there's also peppers and a really crispy crust that adds to the texture. Alright, this one is vegetarian, and I got it because it has mushrooms. So the Suprema pizza is more savory, and this one is more cheesy. You can see how dense the cheese is, and I love the flavor of the mushroom and spinach.
Now I'm gonna eat the garlic nut. Really garlicky.
And that is our stay at the Plaza Hotel and Casino.
My favorite part was eating at Oscar's Steakhouse.
And I like this place because the rooms were clean, the food at the pizza and the steakhouse were delicious, and if you want to go to downtown Las Vegas, it's just a few steps away. This was our first time staying in downtown Las Vegas, so we recommend this place because you can still go to many attractions, and it's away from the super busy strip. That's it. See you in the next video.